Hey guys, so in this video, Dominic Santiago tells us his Wells Fargo story. He went crazy on Instagram, so we decided to put it on YouTube.
In the early 2000s, I used to work here at Wells Fargo on 21st Avenue in Madison, in Paterson, New Jersey, and they fired me, which was great because I opened up my own company and I tripled my income, and I was working 12 hours a day when I worked with the bank, and then I started working 6 hours a day. So my income tripled and my hours went down from 12 to 6. And the crazy part was that I was in the top 10 percentile in sales in the country, which is crazy. I couldn't believe they fired me, but thank you for firing me. Boom.
These are all the comments that got. So we decided to make a part 2, and here it is.
Dom, I saw your video earlier and you didn't say why you got fired. Can you tell us why?
Well, it was kind of a funny story. My wife asked me to take out $200 from her account, her individual account. I wasn't on it. And I signed the withdrawal slip. I signed her name. And one of the telemanagers that's named Eric Lowe told my supervisor that I took $200 from my wife's account and that I signed for her. And they fired me over that. So thank you, Eric Lowe, and thank you, Wells Fargo. And by the way, Eric Lowe is in jail because he was a politician and he defrauded Patterson and he went to jail.
Hope you liked this video, and for more, hit that subscribe button, like, and comment.